Hello beautiful people, welcome back to yet another amazing tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this very lovely fault line effect using two different shades of blue on a white whipped cream cake. So if you'd like to learn how I achieved this, please keep watching.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss.
So first you want to grab two piping bags and fill them with the two different shades of blue that you would be using. Then just like you can see me doing this video, you want to press out one color into three strips as you can see me do, then pick the second bag and then you want to apply the second color using let's say 3 to 5 strips depending on how tall your cake is. For mine I think it was somewhere between 6 and 7 because I had a pretty tall cake. This was a 3 layered cake, so it was pretty tall. Then next thing you want to do is grab your scraper and scrape from just one end of the section that has the blue to the other end. Make sure you do not touch the white. I mistakenly touched the white here, but I'm going to use my gold leaf to camouflage the area, but try to be careful not to touch the area that has just the white. After that I am just going to use a paintbrush to apply my gold leaf as you can see me do in the video. Feel free to be creative with this step because this is just the design I was going for. If you'd like to go for something more intense, something more detailed, you can as well add some of the gold leaf to the body of the cake as well. So yeah, I'm just using the paintbrush to stick on the gold leaf to the cake. This is the best tool to use. You can use your hand, but it's not as precise. I feel like the paintbrush makes it precise, so feel free to use what works for you.
I wish I knew.
So next I'm going to be adding a few extra details to the cake. Here I'm adding these little gold balls to the white side. I think I eventually added to the blue, and I'm using this fan. It's a very pretty fan. I like how wide it is and it really does add life to the cake. And then I'm going in with my gold and blue 4 balls. These are 4 balls. You can use actual edibles, fake balls to achieve this result. Just use what works for you.
When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I wish I knew how much I miss.